Like my hawk. It's got a cover on. Gonna get ready to take it off and get it shot. It's a windy day. It was a warm day. It's going down 30 degrees. Check this out. Now those clouds up ahead, they got color. They're dark. Taking a look overside, what's happening? The wind is happening, and I gotta now switch on over to the Insta360, put the DJI mic on, and not get blown away. So my bike is basically stationary inside so it won't fall over. So let me go get some 360 shots here, and you'll get amazing what I'm gonna get for you. I'm not sure what happened here. I had a lot of trouble trying to get it to work. This means I should go after the Insta360 X4. It's windy. It really is windy. Could you please get out of my way? I want to walk. You remember the times we weren't able to go this far with the Insta360 and talk? Well, turn around. I'm going to try to rotate you around, but you got a pole in your face. So here I am. The best way to hold your camera is like this. Your hand out. You don't want to hold the camera this way. You want to hold it out. So now if I want to get a shot to the side and look to the side, I just rotate to the side like this. Oh man, this sucker's just so windy. Not a camera day. But if you look at my bicycle, right? Look at the luggage rack. I tried to put a bracket on there, but it had 3 inches and it just looked too funny. So I left it as is. Well, I'm gonna, turn you off, get back to my Action 5 Pro and head on back. Just not a beautiful day to ride. But look how beautiful it is around here. Let me bring you all the way up. Get you real nice and high. Now you're able to take a look what I want to show you. I don't want to drop you. I'm not sure if I talked about when you connect your DJI mic to the Action camera, the 360X2, that you have difficulties to disconnect. You're basically going to have to take that battery out and then connect up a lot faster, or just shut things down and try to reconnect. I'm not going to wear 2 microphones, a DJI 2 and another DJI 2 or a mic mini, but I'm going to have to if I'm going to be working with this. Now I've taken out the battery sail, moved it forward, snaps the battery in nicely now. Before I tried, but I'm getting out of here. Just not a windy day for me. It's too windy for you. I am definitely going to look into the X4, the me mode. That's what I want. Hold the camera like this. Don't have to do any editing. Woo, you gotta be between 2 buildings, but you don't hear any howling. That's the beauty with these mics. They do a great job. I got a review coming up. Oh yeah. Stay tuned for that one. That's what the 360 comes in. I hold it over, catch the moments, and off I go. I think I'm gonna give that a shot, set up for me holding and seeing what I get. And on that note, time for me to get on out of here.